Good evening, parents. Today's video is entitled What I Learned at Starbucks. And I just came back from picking up this wonderfully delicious drink, which is known as the Star Fruit Refresher. And in drinking it, it got me thinking about kids. And kind of a weird way to think about it. But basically, what was happening is I haven't spent a lot of time in the kitchen growing up. I don't do a lot of cooking myself. And so I don't have the vocabulary to talk about the drink very well. And so after the first couple of sips, it was like, wow, I really like this, which got me thinking, well, what do you like about it? And I don't know, because I don't know everything that's in the drink, and I don't know how to discern the different flavors since I haven't taught myself to do that by being in the kitchen and cooking very much. So all I could tell you is I like the drink. It tastes good, which is what got me thinking about kids and using their vocabulary. There's a direct correlation between the amount of words that your child knows and the amount of money that they're going to make in their lifetime. And so being able to teach kids the vocabulary of their feelings and emotions becomes super important, because I started thinking it's not a big deal that I can't tell you, that the star fruit and the composites of the kiwi that are mixed in with this other thing, this is what makes it taste good. It's not that important. But think about your child not being able to express with you their feelings and their emotions. How are you today? Well, I'm good, or I'm sad. Okay, well, what's wrong? I'm sad. Well, what's the problem? I'm sad. If that's all they know and all they can say, you're going to have a tough time helping them. So we want to be able to work on developing that vocabulary, which is why at the karate school, you're going to notice I don't accept the term good. When a student says, I say, how are you today? They say, I'm good. All right, well, then you have to leave, because we don't want good. I want any other vocabulary word other than good, so that the kids start really thinking about their feelings and emotions. For example, there's over 4,000 words that describe emotions in the English language. Most people use less than 10. And so again, you don't have to suddenly become a connoisseur of vocabulary and know all 4,000, but we want to get the kids out of good, bad, and the monosyllabic answers that you get from teenagers. So think about that in the process of what are you working on, or what are you helping your child begin to identify and understand? A great way to do this is when you're watching a TV show or a movie. Ask your child, well, how do you think that the character felt when this happened? Or whenever your child accomplishes something, how did that make you feel, is an ongoing question that we like to ask all the time, so the kids begin to internalize that process. So I'm going to go enjoy my Star Fruit Kiwi Refresher. Very good, by the way. And that, why? I don't have the vocabulary to tell you that just yet, but I'm enjoying it. And then we can work on your child's vocabulary to make sure that they are able to better express themselves. And by being able to better express their feelings and emotions, eventually they're going to turn into better leaders, because they're going to be able to help even more people as they grow up. All right, have a great night, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.